So today I'm going to show you how to wrap this tank. This is an educational garden, so we wanted to make this tank beautiful. We tried a couple of techniques that have failed. We tried painting the tank directly. We tried putting painted canvas around it with a sealant, and that lasted about 6 months and fell off. So this is our third attempt at decorating a tank. I think this is going to work. I think this is going to last for many years. This is a sticker, basically. It's a decal, D-E-C-A-L-S, I think. You can order them online. It's the same stuff that they use these days to wrap around the buses or decorate cars. And so we've used this on the tank. It's certified to last 5 years before fading, so should last pretty well. They came and installed it today. We were lucky enough to have the workshop from the university install it for us, but we learned some things to share with you today. Make sure your picture has high enough resolution when you make it, because you don't want it to have it be super pixelated. So if you come a bit closer, you can see that this one's actually a bit pixelated when you get closer, but when you're far away, it works out fine. So try to get as high resolution as you can. So this vinyl wrap needs to be of the kind that's certified for high temperature plastic. So when you order it online, make sure you do that. And you want to get the dimensions right. So in this example, we actually didn't really print, it wasn't really long enough, so it doesn't wrap the full tank. That's a choice, but you want to get the aspect ratio right if you want to wrap the full tank. But wrapping the full tank is going to be quite a bit trickier. So before installing it, they washed it all down with soapy water and then wiped it down with alcohol. That didn't take very long, maybe 15 minutes total. It's important to install this on a hot sunny day, because then this vinyl is really flexible and easy to work with. So pick a hot, beautiful sunny day like today, and then also when you wipe your tank down and put the alcohol, it'll dry right away. Then they centered this vinyl and used masking tape in the middle to center it correctly. And then the backing came in 2 pieces. So it was centered, and then they unpeeled the backing from this side and stuck it on this way, and then unpeeled the backing from this side and stuck it on this way. Now when you unpeel the backing and wrap it around, you want a kind of like a thick sponge or something that you kind of scrape along here to try to get as many of the bubbles out. Some of these small bubbles are just going to work themselves out as the day gets hot. They're going to disappear. But you do want to work some of those bubbles out as you go. And I'm going to show you one of the most difficult parts with this tank install is getting this groove correctly. So we're going to show you that next. And but otherwise it was about, I would say, maybe 45-minute, hour job, with most of the work being trying to get these grooves in place. But if you're an educational garden or you want a beautiful tank, it looks gorgeous.